Hello everyone and welcome back again in episode 4 about linear equation. Today, as we used to, we are exercising more examples about simultaneous equation. So, let's go and proceed. In exercise 1, solve the simultaneous equation 5x plus 3y equal 41, 2x plus 3y equal 20. As we used to talk about in all the episodes of IB Master, that we must have our strategy. And this strategy will come from reading the question very carefully. And as we noticed that in these two equations we have 3y is repeated. So in this way we will choose the easier and more effective way is to use the substitution way. So if we already give this equation 1, this equation 2, so we could write from equation 1 3y will equal 41 minus 5x, and from equation 2 we will get that 3y is equal 20 minus 2x, and because 3y and 3y they are the same, so we could equate both equations. So 41 minus 5x is equal 20 minus 2x. So now let's isolate the x on one side and the number on the other side. So we could say that 5x minus 2x is equal 41 minus 20. So 3x is equal 21 by dividing by 3. So we will get that x is equal 7. Then by substituting x equal 7 into equation 2, and of course you have the choice to substitute in equation 1. So 2 times 7 plus 3y equal 20. So 14 plus 3y equal 20. So by subtracting 14 from both sides, we will get that 3y is equal 6. At the end, we will get that y is equal 2. So now we use the substituting, and let's go for second example. In the second example, solve the simultaneous equation 5x plus y equal 11 and 3x minus y is equal 9. And as we notice, let us write it again for having more clear visual. So if we notice that we have plus y and negative y, so immediately the easier way here is to go for elimination, and this will happen by adding both equation. So 5x plus 3x is 8x, plus x minus x will cancel each other, equal here 11 plus 9 is equal 20. Then here by dividing by 8, so we will have x is equal 20 over 8 by dividing up and down by 4, so we will have 5 over 2. So we could say that x is equal 5 over 2 or 2.5. Then here by substituting x equal 5 over 2, let's say in any equation. So 5 times 5 over 2 plus y equal 11. So 25 over 2 plus y equal 11. By subtracting 25 over 2 from both sides, so we will get that y is equal 11 minus 25 over 2, or it's equal 22 over 2 minus 25 over 2. So we will get that y is equal 3, negative 3 over 2. In example 3, we will try to be a bit more harder. And as you see, we have 2x plus 4y equal 26. And 3x minus y is equal 4. So let us write it again. So as we 2x plus 4y equal 26, 3x minus y equal 4. If we look more close to the second equation, we will see that we have minus y, so it's more easy to isolate it to substitute in equation 1. That's why we will use the substitution way. So we could say in equation 2, minus y is equal 4 minus 3x. So by multiplying both sides by negative 1, so we will have y is equal 3x minus 4, and we could label it by equation number 3. And by substituting from equation 3 into equation 1, so we will have that 2x plus 4, and we will remove the y and substitute from equation 3 by 3x minus 4 equal 26. So now, as you see, we have one equation in one variable x, so 2x plus 12x minus 16 equal 26. So 14x minus 16 is equal 26. So we could say that we have 14x here by adding 16 to both sides is equal 42, by dividing both sides by 14, so x is equal 42 over 14. So we will get that x is equal 3. Then by substituting in equation 3, so we will have that y is equal 3 times 3 minus 4 equal 9 minus 4. So y is equal here 5. So we got that x is equal 3 and y is equal 5. In example 4, we have 4x plus 3y equal 5, 2x minus 5y equal 9. So let's write it also again, because as we said, when you have nice visual to the example, it is almost halfway to solve it. So here 2x minus 5y equal 9. As we see here, we don't have, as before, like y is more easy to be isolated, or there is minus variable and plus variable in the other one. So here the easy way is by elimination. So the first part is we had to decide which one is more easy to eliminate. And according to this example, as you see, that both of them has same chances to be eliminated. So whatever you want to choose, x or y, I will choose in this example x. So here, by multiplying equation 1 by 2 and multiplying equation here by negative 4. So I will have 8x up and negative x down. So by multiplying equation 1 by 2, we will have 8x plus 6y equal 10, and we could call it equation number 3, and negative 8x plus 20y equal negative 36, and we will label it by equation number 4. So now by adding both equation, so we will have this will cancel each other, then we will have 26y is equal minus 26, so y is equal negative 1. By substituting in any equation, let's say by 1, in substituting y equal negative 1 in equation 1, so we will have 4x plus 3 times negative 1 equal 5. So 4x minus 3 is equal 5. 4x will be equal 8. So we will have that x is equal 2 here. In example 5, we will begin to have the word example. And as we used to, it will be more easy if we read carefully the word example in order to translate from English to mathematics. Here they said 3 bananas and 2 pears cost 95 pence. And for your info, the 1 pound is having 95 pence. While 5 banana and 3 pears cost 1.51 pound. Find the cost of 10 banana and 10 pears. So here, let's say, we will say let banana is x and pears is y. Then let's read it again. They said 3 bananas, that's mean 3x, and 2, and that's mean plus 2 pears, 2y, cost 95 pence. Okay, here we have two choices: to translate the 95 pence to 95 or 0.95 to leave it in pound. And let's say it will be 95. And this could be equation number 1. Equation number 2, he said 5 bananas and banana is x. So 5x and 3 pears, that's mean plus 3y, is equal 1.51 pound or 151 pence, because we use this measurement in equation 1, and this will be equation number 2. Now we translate the word example to simultaneous equation. So now we will begin to solve it, And as you see, all this is could be more easy if we use elimination. And at this time I will eliminate y. So by multiplying the first equation by 3 and multiplying second equation by negative 2, so 3 times 3x is 9x plus 6y equal here 285, and this will be equation number 3. And by multiplying equation 2 by negative 2, so negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x, negative 6y will be here negative 302, and this will be equation number 4. We could say by adding, so we will have negative x, and here 6x minus x will cancel each other, and here we will have negative 17. So by multiplying by negative 1, so we will have that x is equal 17 pence. So 1 banana is 17 pence. So by substituting x equal 17 into, let's say, equation, we could say equation 1. So 3 times 17 plus 2y equal 95. So we will have 51 plus 2y equal 95. So 2y we will have it's equal 44. So y is equal 22 pence, and this will be the pairs. But he asked for cost of 10 bananas and 10 pears, so he need to ask for what is 10x plus 10y equal what. So we could say it's 10 times 17 plus 10 times 22. So we will have 170 plus 220. So the final answer will be 390 pence, or we could say a 3.9 pound. In our last exercise, Alan and Connor have $6.7 in total. Alan has $1.7 more than Connor. Find out how much each person has. So, same like the previous exercise, we had to translate the English to mathematics. So, we have here, let's say, like Alan will be X and Connor will be Y. He said that both of them has in total 6.7. That's mean X plus Y equal 6.7. And here he said Alan has 1.7 more than Connor. So Connor is Y. If we add 1.7 to him, he will be equal Alan. So as we used to say before, translating right the English to mathematics is half of the answer. So here, if we put this is 1 and this is 2, so by substituting from 2, that's mean by substituting x into y, so into 1, so we will have y plus 1.7 plus y equal 6.7. So 2y plus 1.7 is equal 6.7. So 2y is equal 5. So we will have that y is equal $2.5. And by substituting y equal 2.5, that's mean by substituting what Connor has, so into 2, so we will have 2.5 plus 1.7 is equal x, so we will have that x will be $4.2. So we could say that Alan has $4.2 and Connor has 2.5 US dollar. At the end of this episode, I hope that you got the more benefit from this topic and you understand how to solve simultaneous equation, and I hope to see you soon in a new episode. Thank you very much.